Welcome to Miss Tidbit, your global guide to smart words, stylish learning, and everyday curiosity. From trending brands to tricky terms, we pronounce, explain, and explore it all. Let's dive in. Bacardi, Bacardi, Bacardi. It's a Cuban rum brand famous for its white rum used in classics like the mojito. If you pronounced it right, hit the like button. If not, hit subscribe so we'll practice more together. A twist for you. Can laughter be a chemical reaction? In case you are interested in getting an answer to it, do hit the bell button so that you can be notified for it. Here is our word for the upcoming video. Here are some more suggestions for you. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.